Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, a split folding rear seat, high solar energy absorbing glass, and cruise control. Voice-activated navigation includes touchscreen functionality as well as an integrated backup camera. Premium JBL audio includes 8 speakers as well as music streaming via Bluetooth wireless connectivity. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Toyota's Star Safety System includes vehicle stability control, maintaining exceptional control when conditions turn challenging. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.